welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back filming for you guys, and today's video is going to be a vlog for you guys, and the vlog is actually going to be of an event which I went to in London with Urban Decay and Look Fantastic. I'm actually an ambassador for a company called Look Fantastic, and Urban Decay has recently launched on their website, so they had a launch party to celebrate it, or a launch event with lots of bloggers and YouTubers and lots of beauty influencers. The event was hosted in London at the Carnaby Street Urban Decay store, and that's really close to like Oxford Street. And it was an amazing event. I really enjoyed myself. I met so many amazing YouTubers and bloggers who I'm a really big fan of, like Mimi Misfit, Elia B, Yasmin from Meet the Vloggers. If you guys don't know Meet the Vloggers, you better get to know. I watch them on YouTube all the time. They're literally one of my favorite YouTubers. So she was there, and she was literally one of the most amazing, kind-hearted people that I've ever met. She was so lovely, such a lovely person. And I actually managed to vlog when I met her, and I actually went with one of my best friends. Honestly, she also came to the event with me, and she really enjoyed herself meeting some of the people that were at the event. So what else do you guys really do? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, like, tell me what you think, and also yeah. So the day is over now, and we're going to get some food now.
Then I